Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll quickly show you how to link your Netflix account to Google Home, step by step, super easy and fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that's connected to your smart speaker or Chromecast. Step 2. Tap the settings icon in the top right corner, then scroll down and select Video under the Services section. Step 3. You'll see a list of available streaming services. Find Netflix and tap Link. Step 4. A browser window will open. Sign in to your Netflix account using your email and password. Step 5. Once linked, you'll get a confirmation screen. Now you can say things like, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix." Step 6. Test it out. Make sure your TV or Chromecast device is connected and your Google Assistant recognizes your voice. That's it. Your Netflix and Google Home are now perfectly synced for hands-free streaming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials.